Now I can get into my recipe inspired by epok, those delicious little curry pastry pockets that you could get in street stalls all around Kuala Lumpur. My version is a sweet potato and lentil pastry pocket, starting with sautéing some onion until tender. Now a little garlic and ginger. And I have a garam masala that I like to use, along with a little ground cardamom. I'll add some diced sweet potato and cover this with a little stock. Oh, and back to that sambal. I do love it. I'll add a little for heat. I'll cover this and simmer it for 10 minutes. Oh, this smells so good. So this is where I stir in my cooked lentils. This will cool it down a little bit, and the lentils will finish up absorbing any remaining liquid, including the last addition of a little lime juice. Now, I do need to set this one aside to cool. I have the sweet potato filling already chilled. And I have some butter pastry that I've rolled and cut into rounds. You could use prepared pastry or your favorite recipe if you wish. I'll spoon a little of the chilled filling into the center and then fold it together. You want to push out any air that might be inside. You want to pinch the edges by overlapping them. And I noticed this fluted look was distinctive to the curry puffs, the epok in Kuala Lumpur. And you tuck the last little piece underneath, and there you go. And you repeat until all the pastry and the filling has been used. Before these go into the oven, I brush them with a little egg whisked with water. That gives them a nice little shine and promotes an even browning. I've preheated my oven to 190, and these only take about 20 minutes until they're a beautiful golden brown. They are just absolutely lovely. Look at that, flaky pastry and that curry filling inside. This is a perfect snack.